Here we have a national pedestal box fan in the guest room of my grandparents' house on my mom's side. This is also my grandfather's room when sometimes he just slept there a while ago. In that bed right there. Anyways, this fan is paired with this Bodger mini ceiling fan. I might have made a video of this fan before, but it's probably on my other channel, so I decided to just try to make a video for this channel. So anyways, it's actually a good fan. Although when we're here, this doesn't get used as much as this fan because the wind from this fan is generally nicer. And it reduces when there's not enough for us. Anyways, if you guys have seen this on my other channel, the oscillation does not work anymore. It'll just slip and go out of place. I think it's because there's something wrong with the mounting system. I need a tripod. I just have got a tripod in Hong Kong, but that's Hong Kong. I don't have one here. Anyways, you can see the mounting is, there used to be this plastic washer thingy which you can put there to sort of, you know, help it spin better, but it's gone now. So anyways, it just got the louvers pointing outwards, and so yeah. Anyways, it's got this cloth here just to help dampen the sound. Here it is. I think this actually used to be this. We've had a couple fans in this room. We've had before that we had this fan. We had a camel fan here, and this fan was downstairs. I think we had a camel fan that's now downstairs up here. I'll show you in a minute. We've had this fan in the room. And we've also had this other camel fan in the master bedroom. Until, you know, it's all been switched around a bit. Anyways, and then we had this fan in the room. And then later on, we installed this little Bodger mini ceiling fan, which is actually really ideal. It also means less work for this guy. So anyways, I'm actually gonna turn this off so we can test the box fan a little bit more accurately. This is something that I wrote just so people know that this controls the fan. It's not any gizmo or anything. Anyways, let's start up on low. Who's good amount of air and low? Sounded to have this on low and that on. Just now I had this on high and that on. So yeah. Medium. And high. Who's good amount of air and high actually? Although it sounds like it's not as ideal as having that on, because that one's when it comes to sleeping, because that one will actually fan the bed more, but this one is more outward and you know it's less on the beds basically. It fans the beds a lot less. Fan is also ideal for like airing the room. As it he's somewhere out, as you can see. So that we'll be able to pull some cool air from the windows. Anyways, let's spin it down. And let's do a startup sound from the back. Anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Anyways, just to show you, this is how this kind of setup that they often have. This fan on and this fan on high. A while ago I had that air conditioner on and this fan off, but now that it's cooled down I can turn this off. So anyways,